here, Rochester, and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be about my flat tummy tea. So now, huge confession. So the tea, let me say this before I do my confession. So the tea, the two pouches, because you get two pouches, they come in this bag, and guys, let me double check. Okay, it's clean. I've used this bag for like I'm so ghetto. I've used this bag for like my contacts, my lady stuff, lipstick, charger, headphones, pens, lotions. This is like the two pouch, you know, like a cosmetic pouch that you carry in a bag. Yeah, I'm using my flat tummy tea as my little cosmetics pouch. I'm sorry, it's very hot. So that's my little confession. So that's what that pouch is good for. Now on to what you're here for. So you get two pouches. You get the flat tummy activate tea, and you get the flat tummy cleansing tea. Cleansing, yeah, flat tummy cleanse tea. So this says PM and it says AM. So you drink, and it's, as you can see, mine is all done. It's empty in there. Now on to what you want to know. Does it work? What do you use it for? I've been drinking it, I haven't lost weight. I've been drinking it, I have lost weight. You know, we have different experiences with the flat tummy tea. Now my experience is that it does work. Now I've had this tea for, when I said this tea I mean both of them. So I've had this tea for, I feel like I'm out of focus. So I've had this tea now for, I had it for 3 weeks. Oh no, I think it was 2.5 weeks before I actually started drinking it, because I was afraid to take it. I was very concerned if it was going to work or not. I'm saying a lot of people talking about it, so it's really hyped up for no good darn reason, and I was very nervous to take the tea myself. So I had it for 2.5 weeks, did not take it. I was afraid to take it, and then a Sunday night, I remember clear, I looked down and my tummy was out to here. I felt swollen, I felt bloated, I felt like there was just gunk in me. Even though I was working out and exercising, I just felt really gunky. And my main issue is my belly area and my back fat and my tummy, which is why I even we're even promoting the Pull Me Fitness Belts, which is why I am even using the Pull Me Fitness Belts to help me trim down my waist, because my ideal shape is that hourglass figure. So that's why I've been using the Pull Me belt every single time I work out / go to the hill. So when I felt my body feeling down, I looked and I saw my tummy, I was like, alright then, let's try the flat tummy tea. So I tried the tea on day 1. You guys, tell me why on day 1, after day 1, I was like, wow. First of all, you know, some detox teas, cleansing teas, teas for weight loss, they're very aggressive on the digestive system. I mean, you're on that toilet, boo-boo, and you are not coming off. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So when I saw how gentle it was with me, I was like, oh hell no, they care about my insides. So before the flat tummy tea, I was going to the bathroom regularly, like probably 2 to 3 times, but 1 to 2 times per day. I'd use the bathroom every single day. And I know that since I started working out, I noticed that sometimes I talk so fast and my words get jumbled. I noticed that since I started working out, my tummy and my digestive system, I've been going to the bathroom regularly, like as I said, every day, 1 to 2 times a day. No, this is probably TMI, but when I would go to the bathroom, it was, you know, what is this guys? Run, good. So it was runny, right? Very good, children, very good. But when I started taking when I started taking the flat tummy tea, I noticed that it started to harden a little bit. You know, it was still in some areas, but it got really sometimes as well. So it was a mixture of both, and I would go to the bathroom 2 to 3 times per day. Now, as I say, it wasn't aggressive, because normally when for some teas as well, because it's so aggressive, you get sore because you're always cleaning that area, so it gets sore. I have not experienced any soreness at all when I'm using. And I'm sorry I'm being so candid. When I watch videos like this, I want to hear what it's going to do to my body and my insides. Like, I want to know your experience, and I'm telling you guys my full raw uncut experience with the flat tummy tea, and it's just the truth for me. For me, it works. For me, it works, and I've seen the one day I saw a difference in my tummy. I saw where it went down a little bit, and I even wrote them. I was like, yo, it works. Because I was shocked. Even Kevin Hart talk about the flat tummy tea, but I think he was his trainer or something, because I'm addicted to his Snapchat, and he was talking to one of his friends, and he's like, yo man, you gonna get that flat tummy tea? Man, he was feeling bloated, he wanted a flat tummy tea. So I was like, even Kevin Hart knows about it. So I mean, you know, for something that seems that much hyped up, it's like, ugh, I hope it's true, and I hope it works. And it really does. It really does. And I'm happy. I'm so happy. Now I'm out of this, but I still have the PM. As you can see, guys, I have not been doing the system how I should have, because for this one, let me just tell you, for this one I do this every day. It says directions: drink every morning with breakfast, and that's after or before. Drink it with your breakfast. 1 teaspoon of the tea, infused cup, remove, strain, drink. And I have this with sugar, just so you know. Sugar. With this, it says directions: week 1, drink every other night, every other evening before bed. Then the following weeks, you drink every 3rd evening before bed, and it tells you how to make it as well. And on the back of this, it says this gentle tea has a natural gentle cleansing effect which may help you go to the bathroom. So start with a shorter infusion time and work out what's the best for your body. So even that they tell you. But for me, I have not had an aggressive movement since I've been drinking the flat tummy tea, and I'm just grateful. I'm like, yo, I'm so happy that it works, you know. But I was saying to you guys about this one, the cleanse, because they have activate, which is the daily one. I have the cleanse, which is the nightly one, every other evening, and then every 3rd evening. This, I haven't had this now for about 2 weeks. I think either 2 weeks or a week. I haven't had it for about 2 weeks or a week, so I haven't had it for that amount of time. But I can truly say it really does work. You know, I'm not here to say you will lose pounds in weeks. Girl, your belly's gonna look snatched, bubble. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it really helps me with my bloating, because I realize that I bloat a lot. Whenever I eat, it shows in my tummy. I could eat like the smallest amount of food, my belly swells up, you know. So it really does help with bloating. As I say, I used to go to the bathroom 1 to 2 a day. With the flat tummy tea, I've been going to the bathroom 2 to 3 times per day. So, and it's not aggressive. I'm not sore in that area, you know. When I use it, I'm not sore. It's not uncomfortable. I look forward to drinking it. I love drinking it, and sometimes I tip a little bit of lime juice because I like the flavor. So I tip a little bit of lime juice in there. I drink it like a regular tea, you know, with sugar and with lime juice and all that stuff. But you don't have to, but that's what I do. It tastes nice with a little bit of lime juice. So yeah, that's just basically my experience with the flat tummy tea. I have another pack, but I want to finish this first before I move on to my next 2 sets, because I have two sets. So this one finished and I have another one, so I'm going to move on to my next 2 sets yeah, once I finish with this PM. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys, on this video on my review of the flat tummy tea. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'm sorry if I was a little bit candid or raw, but I wanted to show my raw, unfiltered experience with the flat tummy tea. And I can say, for one, it really does work. And if you're thinking about purchasing it and you're not quite sure, I really hope this video helped you to make a decision. If it's the first time you're hearing about the flat tummy tea, please do your research before you go and buy it. For me, it did not flatten my tummy. I didn't lose weight like that. I mean, I did lose weight, of course, because it was cleaning up my system. So of course I lost weight from it, obviously. Plus I'm eating properly, so I will lose the weight from it, but that's not what I wanted it for. I wanted it specifically for the bloating, and it helped me for the bloating and my tummy. So that's just basically my experiences with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.